Hi everybody, this is David of SchabelTech Granules. Roofing granules are an important part in any SPF roofing job, but often the most challenging part of the job is actually buying the granules. So where do you get roofing granules? SchabelTech is your one-stop granule shop. We provide a great selection of 3M roofing granules, such as the 9300 white and the 7700 blue-gray. We also carry a great Natural Select line, such as the 816 gold, which is a replacement for the Natural Buff, and the 610 Supreme White. These products are made in the USA, and as such, we proudly ship nationwide. We realize that you go where your projects are, so let us take care of shipping these materials to you on the job site, where and when you need them. We also realize that Mother Nature does not always cooperate, and weather can get in the way of scheduling the jobs. So to work with you, we help you with order management and just-in-time inventory to make sure that you have the granules when you need them, where you need them. So next time you need roofing granules, please look no further than SchabelTech, your one-stop granule shop. So make your roofing granule purchasing easy and efficient and reliable. Please also leave a comment below on any other roofing granule questions or problems you might have that we can assist with. Thank you very much, have a great day, and we look forward to working with you here at SchabelTech Granules.